Our today is the week 2 day 1 class, and today class we will learn the three type of the CSS. So first we start from the introduction of the CSS. What is CSS? CSS stand for Cascading Style Sheet. It is used to style and design HTML element. HTML is for structure. CSS is for design. For example, change color, size and font of text. Purpose of CSS: separate content from design, save time by reusing styles, makes web pages attractive and user friendly. There are three types of CSS we use in our web pages. First is inline CSS, second is internal CSS, and third one is external CSS. Inline CSS. CSS is written inside the HTML tag using the style attribute. For example, the tag paragraph style equals to the color blue. This is the blue text and paragraph tag close. So this CSS inline CSS tag gonna change the only one element of the web page, and that is the paragraph, and the color will be blue. Second type of CSS is the internal CSS. CSS written inside the style in the head tag of HTML. For example, style paragraph P and then color green and then style close, and that gonna design the whole page of the website into the green color. Third type of the CSS is written in a separate file. We call the style.css file, and we call the link of that file into in our HTML page using the link tag inside the head, and that used to style the multiple pages consistently. The practice tasks for student: create a HTML page with heading and paragraph, style heading with inline CSS, style paragraph with internal CSS, and apply the external CSS to both. So today's summary of our topic is type of CSS. Inline CSS use inside the HTML tag, and that CSS design only one element of web page. Second is the internal CSS use inside the style tag of HTML inside the head tag and design the whole page. And third is the external CSS use in a separate file and call in our web page using the link tag, and that CSS gonna design the multiple pages. Okay, this is our first example. In this example we will see how we gonna use the inline CSS, and see we using for tag P, the style, and color is blue. So this only gonna change only this line of the web page. So whenever we need to change the one line of the web page, we use the inline style CSS. So this is our inline CSS. We double click it and you see this color is blue. Now this is our second example. Here we are using the style tag inside the header tag, and in this example we going to design the whole style the whole web page, not the one tag, whole web page. So through that we use the style tag here, this one inside the header tag, and then it's gonna change the color of this paragraph to green. So whenever we need to style the whole page, we use this technique, the second options. We call it the internal CSS. So we show that file, we save that file on our desktop as a test for internal CSS, and we click it. So now you can see this color is green. Now this one is our third examples. We using the external CSS file, and through that link tag we calling that CSS file inside our web page. And purpose of this technique, to whenever we need to style or design the multiple web page, then we use the third technique to call the external CSS file into the our web page. And this, you can see this, the file name is style CSS, and here we create a separate file using the notepad. The name of the file CSS and extension is style.css. So now we run this web page. So you can see our title inside the head also changed to color red, and the font size also went bigger, and then our paragraph color is also changed. So this old code I wrote in my commit section. So if you're interested, so you can copy and paste from there.